Hello and welcome to a short video presentation of the Titanmagnetics demonstration kit. In this video, I will show you what is inside the kit and how you could use it when presenting the Titanmagnetics to your customers. When you open the kit, you will find two pictures on the left side of the kit showing examples of prostheses where our magnets can be used for, as well as a cross-section of our magnetic system to describe its technical basics. The kit includes all of our 3 product lines for the extraoral use. Each line consists of the magnetic inserts and the corresponding prosthesis magnets, impression posts, model replica and torque wrench inserts. In the upper row, you will find the X line. This line has a spherical surface and is available in 4 different heights. It has a diameter of 4.8 mm and a force of 1.6 Newton. In the middle, you can see the Z line, which is also available in 4 different heights. It also has a spherical surface but a wider diameter of 5.8 mm and therefore a stronger magnetic force of 3 Newton. Beneath the Z line, you will find the T line. The T stands for telescopic. Telescopic bearing of 2.5 mm ensures secure fixation and at the same time it allows a certain rotation and axial movement without losing the withdrawal force. This line is available in 2 different heights, has a diameter of 5.8 mm and a force of 1.4 Newton. The demonstration kit does also include the different types of prosthesis magnets that we offer. We produce magnets for acrylic and for silicon. On the left, you can see the magnets for acrylic, and on the right, the ones for silicon. As you can see, they have a retention ring. This ring can be bent and cut to adjust individually. Both magnets are available with and without collar. Magnets with collar allow exact positioning and better lateral stability. Magnets without collar, on the other side, allow easier positioning when implants are in parallel. In addition, the kit includes both impression posts and model replica, which are magnetic and ensure secure retention during model fabrication. The torque wrench inserts are also product line specific, and they are available for the different types of torque wrenches, for example for the 1000 implants. On the right side, you will find an auricular model prosthesis with a clear bone model with 2 implants and a skin-like cover. To assemble the model, unscrew the smallest X line using the corresponding torque wrench insert and screw it on the lower implant of the bone model. After that, unscrew the smallest T-line insert and screw it into the upper implant on the bone model. Using exactly these 2 inserts is the only way the prosthetic ear will fit correctly. But don't worry, there's lettering next to the implants to guide you to choose the right one. After placing the inserts, you will then need to place the skin and the prosthesis on top. One important feature of the Titanmagnetics is that the magnets are self-centering. This can be visualized by pressing the lobe of the prosthesis very gently. The magnets will find the right position automatically. Our products are listed in the 1000 Implants Osseointegrated Fixtures catalog on pages 11 and 20 to 23. You can allocate the parts from the kit to the catalog looking at the reference number printed above. When delivering the product to the customer, please remember to enclose the instruction for use, information on reprocessing and sterilization, and the patient product passport. The patient product passport includes information on the components used and important warnings. Also, please do remind the customers that both the magnetic inserts and the prosthesis have to be removed before an MRI scan. Now you have a basic idea of the maxillofacial demonstration kit. Please make yourself familiar with the included parts and have fun presenting it to the customers.